Hello, 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 and welcome to another episode of What Sold, the show where I show you what sold during the Angel in Pink camo auction that takes place Saturday mornings at 10 a.m. For all of you who might have slept a little late and missed it, maybe you had other plans with family, or maybe you were watching, but you just got distracted, got a phone call, missed the end, had to eat, and you're dying to know, what did I miss? Because you might want to come back next week, or you might want to write in the comments to ask if there's one still available, if you can add this to your order, if you could start an order. You can always negotiate with me. I'm a Southern Belle. So the first items were the early bird specials. Now, if you haven't watched Angel in Pink Camo's auction, which she calls the Good Time auction, her signature event is starting out by early bird specials. This gets everybody to tune in right from the get-go. Sorry, get-go is a Southern word that means from the beginning. My apologies. Sometimes I accidentally use those words and phrases. Anyway, it starts out with $1, not $1 bids, but $1 buy it nows. So the first few items you're going to see here, people pay just $1 for. Most of the time they run out immediately, and it is not bidding, it is buying, and the first person in the chat is the one that gets the privilege of buying and to pick the quantity they get to buy. So the $1 buy it now from this past sale was these Despicable Me Minions swirly straws. How fun are these going to be to drink from? After Tisme Laurie bought those 3 Minion straws, the next $1 buy it now were these flavored scented chapsticks. Look at all of these flavors that I had. These were all bought by Lisa D, who said, "Give me one of every flavor." She had the fastest fingers. After her, the next bidder was Miss Karen, who picked out a Dr. Pepper and a cherry. And if there's anybody still wanting a Dr. Pepper flavored chapstick lip balm, let me know. I've still got some at the $1 bargain buy it now price point. The next item up for bids were these fabulous brand new adult coloring books. Even though they retailed for $7.99, which is the cover price listed, I sold these out for only $3. Yes, you heard me, $3. Not only did you save a trip to the store and having to pay those gas prices, but you save more than half of the cover price. So these 3 were bought by Lisa D. The Happiness, the Coloring Owls, and the Splash of Color. Miss Karen bought just the Splash of Color, and Carrie bought just the Owls. And for anybody who might still like to get one, I do have additional copies of Splash of Color and Color Your Way to Happiness. However, the Coloring Owls are sold out. The next items sold were these adorable 12 packs of Jingle Bells. And yes, they actually jingle. Notice they each have a different fabulous sound. These were bought by Laurie and Karen. Look at these cozy men's fleece slippers. These are going to be so warm and so fleecy. And these were bought by Oni. I do still have these in both a men's size 10-11 or a men's size 8-9. And even though they are blue, I don't know why they'd have to be worn by a man. You could just subtract a size and a half and have them for a woman. Also bought by Miss Joni was this adorable 3-piece kitchen set with 2 pot holders and an oven mitt. This will be gorgeous for Christmas, whether it's in her kitchen or whether she gives it as a gift to someone else. Look at these beautiful gourds, perfect for the fall harvest time that we're in now. These were bought by Miss Karen, who said, "Give me one of each." I love that. These beautiful foil stickers which are actually not address labels, tags, gift tags. And look at the shine and shimmer of the beautiful foil. Were bought by Miss Laurie, Tisme Laurie. Look at these beautiful plant stakes. These were bought by Tisme Laurie. We had the robin, or maybe it's a cardinal. Then we had the snowman, this cute little owl, the penguin, and the candy shape. These are all metal, and except for the robin, they are all still available. These lovely strings of pearls, which are 5 long yards, were bought by Miss Josie of Josie's Place for the bargain price of $2, and she chose both red and green, even though there were also choices in sparkling white, silver, and gold. All colors still available. Look at these warm and cozy Gildan Smart Basic socks for women. An entire 6-pack of no-show, pristine white socks. These were bought by Lisa, and then Willow bought 2 more. And lastly, look at this set of 4 super cute artisan-looking signs. This entire set was bought by Willow. As always, I want to thank everybody that came to the Angel in Pink auction. And if you missed it, come next week. It is every Saturday morning at 10 a.m. And don't forget those early bird specials. So without further ado, let me bid you laissez bon temps rouler. Let the good times roll. Roll in your life, roll in your heart, roll in your soul, roll in your auction purchases. I hope to see you next week at the auction. Bye-bye.